Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. In today's video, we're going to 2025 Datsun 280ZX, so let's dive right in. Exterior design. The 2025 Datsun 280ZX pays homage to its classic predecessors with a blend of retro and modern styling. It features sleek lines, a low slung profile, and a sporty, aggressive stance. Lighting, equipped with LED headlights and taillights, ensuring excellent visibility and a modern look. Wheels, comes with 18-inch alloy wheels as standard, with optional 19-inch wheels for a more aggressive appearance. Paint options, available in a range of colors, including classic shades like silver, black, and red, along with new metallic and matte finishes. Performance engine, powered by a turbocharged V6 engine, delivering around 400 horsepower. Transmission, available with a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed automatic transmission. Drive, rear-wheel drive is standard, providing a traditional sports car feel. Handling, enhanced suspension and braking systems ensure precise handling and a smooth ride. Safety features includes advanced safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking. Construction, built with a reinforced chassis for improved crash protection and rigidity. Price base model, expected to start around $45,000. Fully loaded, with all options and packages, the price can go up to approximately $60,000. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one.